We have a right triangle ABC which is right angled at the vertex B, and from that vertex, we drop an altitude onto the opposite side AC, that lands at a point that we note as D. Now here's the challenge. AD measures 9 units, DC measures 4 units. Can you figure out the length of the altitude BD? Try to solve it before I reveal the answer. Now here is the answer. Since the line AC is perpendicular to the ray BD, then the two triangles ABD and BCD are right triangles at the point D. Beside that, since the length AD is equal to 9, and the length DC is equal to 4, then we can deduce that the length AC is equal to 9 plus 4, which equals 13. Now if we consider the right triangle ABD, which is right angled at the vertex D, we can deduce, according to the Pythagorean theorem, that the square of AD plus the square of BD is equal to the square of the hypotenuse AB. And since the length AD is equal to 9, then we would have 9 square plus BD square equal to AB square. This means that BD square plus 81 is equal to AB square. We will keep this in mind and mark it as equality number 1. Now if we consider the right triangle BCD which is right angled at the vertex D, then we can deduce, once again, according to the Pythagorean theorem that the square of BD plus the square of CD is equal to the square of the hypotenuse BC. And since the length CD is equal to 4, then we would have the equality BD square plus 4 square equal to BC square. Therefore, BD square plus 16 is equal to BC square. We will note this as equality number 2, and keep it in mind. Now if we consider the main triangle, ABC, then, we can deduce, according to the Pythagorean theorem, that the square of AB plus the square of BC is equal to the square of the hypotenuse AC. And as we know that the length of AC is equal to 13, then we would have the equality AB square plus BC square equal to 13 square. Which mean that AB square plus BC square is equal to 169. We will keep this in mind and note it as the equality number 3. Now by adding the equalities 1 and 2, we can deduce that the square of BD plus 81, plus the square of BD plus 16, is equal to AB square plus BC square. And as we have in the equality number 3, AB square plus BC square equal to 169, then by replacing it, we will find that BD square plus 81 plus BD square plus 16 equal to 169. This means that 2 times the square of BD plus 97 is equal to 169. Therefore 2 times BD square is equal to 169 minus 97. So 2 times BD square is equal to 72, which mean that the square of BD is equal to 72 over 2. So BD square is equal to 36. Which means that BD is equal to 6. And this answers our question. Did you find this on your own? And can you think of another way of solving it? Let us know about this in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell for more of this content. And until the next one, have a great time.